Hey, if money wasn't a problem, where would you travel first?
Easy. Japan. I've wanted to visit Tokyo for years.
Really? Why Japan specifically? The culture feels so unique.
Modern technology mixed with traditional history.
That's true. Tokyo looks futuristic in videos.
Exactly. Neon lights, anime stores, fast trains. Everything looks exciting.
I'd probably visit Switzerland first.
Switzerland. Interesting choice.
Yeah, the mountains and nature there look unreal.
Honestly, Switzerland feels like a real life wallpaper.
Exactly. Every picture looks fake because it's too beautiful. Would you rather travel in cities or nature places? Probably both. I'd get bored staying in only one type of place.
Same. Big cities are exciting, but nature feels peaceful.
Traveling really changes your mindset, though.
Definitely. Seeing different cultures teaches you a lot.
Have you traveled internationally before?
Only once.
How was it?
Honestly, amazing. The moment you land in another country feels surreal.
I can imagine.
Different language, different food, different atmosphere. Everything feels new.
That's what makes traveling exciting.
Exactly. Everyday life becomes an adventure.
What's your dream travel experience?
Probably visiting Japan during cherry blossom season.
That sounds beautiful, actually.
What about you?
Staying in a cabin near snowy mountains in Switzerland. That sounds peaceful and expensive.
Very expensive, probably.
Traveling is one of those things people never regret spending money on.
True.
Experiences feel more valuable than material things sometimes.
Exactly. Nobody remembers buying random stuff years later.
But people always remember great trips,
Especially funny travel stories.
something always goes wrong during trips somehow.
That's part of the adventure.
Have you ever missed a flight?
Thankfully, no, but I came very close once.
Airport stress is real.
Especially international airports.
I'd probably panic the entire time.
Same, honestly.
What's one country you would never get bored visiting?
Probably Italy.
Good food?
Exactly.
Pizza, pasta, coffee. Impossible to hate Italy. Plus, the architecture looks incredible there.